So we have another backlit scenario. The sun is just really peaking right now. I think it's gonna look cool. Natasha will be a little bit more of a silhouette. So let's start with the wide angle lens and take a shot of her with the sun kind of behind her. I think that's gonna look quite nice. Let's also have fun where the sun is, yeah, stay like this. And the sun is like really peeking through her arm pose. Alright, let's shoot one with an 1x. I'm very curious to see how this will be in editing. Yes, stay like this, Natasha, very nice. Okay, let's get a little 2.5 telephoto effect going on. Yes, stay like this, Natasha. Okay. Wow, this looks actually... I'm very curious to see the shots on a computer. This looks cool. Might be a little dark. To be honest, need to learn how to use this phone. I just switched from Android. Let's go really close now to Natasha. Yes. Stay like this. Okay, look a little bit down to me. Perfect, stay like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's going on around the corner. We have some shadow going on here, but it's a lot of times actually nice to shoot photos because, yeah, with the shadow you kind of get like nice even light on the model. If you're not the best at working with light, shooting in the shade is actually one of the easiest ways to get a decent photo. So I kind of like these little lamps here, and then the very vibrant color of the door is kind of good against Natasha's lipstick, so we'll give like a nice color pop. So let's shoot some pics over here. I'll start with the wide angle lens again, which really nicely shows everything I just talked about. A lot of framing going on, which I'm like really a fan of, especially with a phone, to make the photo a bit more interesting. Can you take a step forward, Natasha? Show me a little bit of your tummy. You know what? I'll actually step over this ledge here for a second to try to maybe get some extra framing going on. So let me see if that is possible. With this wide angle lens, it really works. So Natasha, can you be a little bit to the left? Yes, stay. So yeah, now we really have, I'm not the biggest fan of the thing over there, so I need to reframe it a bit. Natasha, can you actually go a bit there? A little bit more to the right. Try to take some photo like this. Yeah, let's go back over the thing before they kick me out here. Let's shoot one at 1x. So I get a shot where you see the little lights. So I'll go for some symmetry here. Try to line up the shot. Natasha, super little bit to there. Yes, a little bit to the left. Okay, stay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Natasha, laugh. It's fun shooting YouTube videos with Jona. Yay! Actually, this looks really, really good. Let me try to get one with just the blue in it, because the colors are really, really nice looking. I'll also get like a little portrait again going on. Take a step to me. I kind of want to see what it does with the blur. Alright. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look here. Oh, Natasha was worried when I was over this little ledge here, because I have a full bag of cameras and a new phone. So obviously I don't want to fall into the water, but you don't have to worry, Natasha, so much. That's what photographers do. We go into weird spots to get photos and angles. It's normal. Don't worry, Natasha. Here we are actually now in the shade, so let's also take a picture like that. Just kind of see how the phone performs in the shade. So I'm at the 1x right now. So let's take a full body shot here of Natasha. Alright, looks nice. Kind of like the door, the blue coral door and the green of the tree. So I'm gonna frame Natasha between the trees. It's always gonna make the subject pop the most when she's framed between something. I'll go a little closer. Yes, this looks actually nice. Let me do the wide angle one. Can you go a little bit back, Natasha? Stay like this. So now Natasha is framed between the two blue doors. So that also looks kind of cool. And now a quick snap with the 2.5. Oh, I actually like the brown with her skin. So, look here, Natasha. Thank you. Yes, stay like this, stay like this. Now it's very close up, but the light is pretty soft and nice here because of the shadow. Let's take one with blue also as a background, like this, yes. So it's pretty close up of you. Stay like this. And look into the camera, yes. Yes, stay like this. Alright, curious to see how this will be in editing, how much we can kind of play with the colors. So Natasha, let's walk now to the next spot, and then we'll actually show you guys how the photos look, throw a little edit on them, see what we can do with it.